Can you freeze basil? Yes, you can freeze basil to keep it fresh for longer. Here's how. So, freezing whole leaves. Wash and dry the basil leaves thoroughly. Arrange the leaves in a single layer on a baking sheet. Freeze them until solid, usually, which means only a few hours. So once frozen, transfer the leaves to a freezer bag or airtight container. Remove as much air as possible before sealing, okay? Number 2, freeze basil in oil. Chop the basil leaves and mix them with a bit of olive oil. Spoon the mixture into ice cube trays. Freeze until solid, then transfer the basil cubes to a freezer bag or container. All right, now you got number 3, freeze basil pesto. Woo! If you make basil pesto, you can freeze it in ice cube trays. Once frozen, transfer the pesto cubes into a freezer bag or a container. Frozen basil is good for adding to cooked dishes like soups, sauces, and stews. So keep in mind that freezing may change the texture of the basil, so it's best to in cooked recipes rather than as a fresh garnish. Okay? Enjoy it with your pasta too. Yeah.